Combining the Foundation for Delaware County grant with the efforts of PHS, we see Lucille's Garden as a major contributor to the Harvest 2020 initiative. From our combined work, many families facing food insecurity will receive the fresh fruit and vegetables they need to stay healthy during the pandemic.
Hey everyone, my name's Ben, and I'd like to welcome you to Lucille's Garden at Tyler Arboretum, where we grow beautiful, organic, delicious vegetables. Hey everyone, Lucille's Garden right now has so many amazing fall crops growing. Most of those crops were provided by a grant that we here at Tyler Arboretum partnered up with the Pennsylvania Horticultural Society so that we could keep providing delicious organic produce to our local food banks. And if you take a look around, you can see we've got all this amazing goodness that's popping up. Right here's our lettuce patch, chard, all the brassicas, kale, cauliflower, broccoli, still some peppers growing. Really a lot more to be seen, so much to eat, so much to harvest and share with the local community.
The volunteers make the work at Lucille's Garden so much better. We literally couldn't get as much harvested, grown, and taken care of without them. They're some of just the best people, and we're all working together to serve this greater cause, and it definitely comes through in our work and in the comradeship that we form in the garden. Right now, it's the Artful Arboretum at Tyler, and that's kind of looking at the beauty in nature and sort of engaging that beauty through all of your senses, looking at the rich colors of the leaves through fall. I think fall is by far my favorite time to be at the Arboretum.